Hey guys, what's up? Have you ever thought if there was a way to read deleted messages on WhatsApp? Well, here in this video, I will be showing you how you can read deleted messages. So let's get started. You need to install an app named What's Remove Plus. It is a free app. It is also available on Play Store. I will be giving its direct link in the description box below so you can check out there. Give the app the permission it requires. Basically, this app will record all the notifications from the app which you select. Let's select WhatsApp from here. Now app is ready to use. Let's try it. Here in my case, subscribe now was the deleted messages. If you liked this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel.